Hi, this is the monthly chart of the EURJPY pair, and we are using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system to see the big picture. It is the weekend before the 29th of April 2013, and the markets are closed, and we're waiting for the Monday for the Asian markets to open and show us where the price will go next. As we see on the monthly chart, the leading Kumo is bullish. It also has a very sharp edge, which shows definitely an upward move. We see that the price is inside the Kumo, but it's moving upwards with very strong, very big bullish candlesticks, which is the last month's candlestick, clearly bullish. And although Chinkwu span is looking upwards, it's turned upwards and it's above previous price movement. Because it is below the Kumo, this signal is considered weak. We also had Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen bullish crossover, and also price crossed Kijun-sen. We had all these bullish signals, but because they were below the cloud, below the Kumo, they are weak. But we are expecting now for a Kumo breakout to happen, which will change the picture and the market sentiment. And let's see if this change in the market sentiment is already visible on the weekly chart. And yes, it is. On the weekly chart, we have 100% bullish market sentiment. You see that the leading Kumo is not only bullish, but also it has an angle which is definitely upwards. The edge of the Kumo is forming a plateau because we had this move here, but most possibly it will go upwards and will start being sharp. The Chinkwu span, because of this bearish candlestick, has turned downwards, but it's above previous price action, and it's moving upwards. So this is just a correction, and this is its response to the correction. We see that both Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are sloping upwards, and we had long ago their bullish crossover, and we had long ago the Kumo bullish breakout. We will not enter from here because the stop has to go far below the price. It has to go below Kijun-sen, and this distance here is huge, so we shouldn't take such a big risk. Let's go to the daily chart and see how things look from there. On the daily chart, we see that the leading Kumo is bullish. Its edge is almost sharp, turned upwards. We see that we had a corrective move, but things show that the price will resume its upward trend. Chinkwu span is above previous price action, but it's turned downwards because of this correction, and we will wait for it to start turning upwards and stay away from the price in order to enter. Maybe we could enter here, we could enter long and put our stop below Kijun-sen or below the upper border of the Kumo, or even below the lower border of the Kumo, but if this distance represents a great risk for you, which is more than 3% of your account's equity, go to the smaller time frame. And in the smaller time frame, we see that the price is just resuming from this downward move, this corrective move. The leading Kumo was about to be bearish, but these two last candlesticks may give us the formation of a newborn bullish Kumo, leading Kumo. We can wait. Waiting sometimes is the best thing to do, staying out and waiting. So I recommend that you should wait for at least 3-4 more candlesticks to make sure that the correction has ended and the pair has resumed its upward trend. Doesn't matter if we go to the M15 chart. Well, let's go there. At the M15 chart, you see clearly bearish image, but something is going to happen here because we see that the leading edge of the Kumo is trying to form, have something slightly curvy here, and like this distance is going to be smaller and smaller and gradually start forming a new Kumo which will be bullish. But this is just a scenario, this is just imagination. So if we go to the H4 chart, I think that we should wait. We know that the major trend, the main trend is bullish, and we will only take trades to that direction, but at least let's wait and have all our main conditions met. Thanks for watching.